Hold up! Did you really sit for 6 hours to get those braids?
I sure did. And guess what? This style is called Don't Tell Nobody It's a Wig. And for the girlies watching, you also can achieve a look like this without having to sit 6 long hours to get some braids.
Watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
Guys, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So happy to have you guys here. So for this video, I will be installing a braided wig. And to be quite honest, I'm not sure if I've ever installed a braided wig on my channel, to be honest. I know I've worn a braided wig, but I'm not sure whether or not I did like a wig install. So I just got my hand on this new braided wig from LuvMeHair. So yeah, this is the box that the wig comes in. This is pretty much everything that comes with your wig. Also, that is what the inside of your wig is looking like. It does have the lace going all around. It'll have some combs on the inside and the elastic band to adjust your wig. I'm noticing it has like these, you guys know how usually it's like a jaw strap in the back here? This one, it comes with these little plastic stuff to tighten the wig in the back there. Is this really a wig? Wow. Look, even the lace is looking amazing. I'm so impressed. They definitely stepped their game up with this one. And I love how I can like flip the braids on either side of my face. Like I don't have to leave it in the center. I haven't even went in yet and cut the lace off of this wig, and it just looks so natural. Like my mind is blown away. This is probably one of the best braided wigs I have ever seen, and I'm not kidding you guys. So so now that the lace is completely cut, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back on. What the lace is looking like, fitting super snug on my head. As you guys can see, like it looks so flat from like right here to right here, but the ear tabs are lifting, so I would need to go in and lay these down. But I'm noticing that they did leave some tape in the box for you, so you can either use the tape to lay down the ear tabs or go in with your normal adhesive that you prefer to use. I'm not really a fan of tape, so I am gonna take my lace spray and I'm just gonna lay down the ear tabs. Another thing I'm also noticing is that the knots does come pre-bleached for you, so you guys, once you're looking into this wig, all you're seeing is scalp. Like you can't even tell that it's lace unless you're all up in my business and really minding it a little bit too much. But from a distance, it just looks like straight scalp. Then I'm gonna go in with this melting spray and just go around the edges. I put some earrings in, and after applying that melt spray, I'm looking at this hair and I'm just like, I look like I sat down for a good 4 to 6 hours and just got my hair braided. Let me just come out and show y'all the true beauty of this hair. And look how thick and full it is. Like, it's not giving scanty, it's not giving cheap, it's not giving like I'm missing a few packs of hair, none of that. It looks so good and so realistic. Like, I honestly, you guys, I can't believe like this is a wig. Like, and I'm so mad because I just came back from vacation. I really wanted to have my hair braided. I just did not have the time or the energy to sit down for 6 hours to get my hair braided. So I was like, you know what, forget it. But this wig came after I got back, and I'm so pissed now because it's such a gorgeous wig and it's definitely vacation friendly. This looks amazing, you guys. I'm also loving that they have the curls on the end. So as you guys can see, this is like, I guess that style of braids is called goddess braids or something like that, when they have like the braided piece with like the curly ends. I'm not sure whether or not it's human hair or a synthetic blend that they use for the ends of the hair, but the curls do feel really good, and like I'm running my fingers through it. It's not tangling. It doesn't feel like plastic either. So that's why I'm like kind of confused on whether it's human hair or a synthetic blend, to be honest. Guys, this is a full lace wig, so you are able to put this hair up in a bun if you want to. Do whatever style you would, just as you would with your braids. Just don't pull it too tight because obviously you do not want your lids to lift. But I can do pretty much any style that I want. The wig is super versatile. I really like that. And I'm honestly just shocked, to be honest. Like I said, I would never talk shit about another braided wig again, ever in my life. Looking at myself and I'm like, this shit looks like it's coming straight up out of my scalp. Like, you cannot tell me I did not go and get my hair braided. I'm very pleased with this. I think it looks amazing. This is definitely a super low maintenance wig, so you would not even have to touch the hair itself. The only thing that you will be needing to do is like lay down the ear tabs, as I mentioned earlier, but that's about it. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like, guys. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this unit. How are we feeling it? Because I'm in love. Like, this is everything right here. I feel like this is one of the best wigs that I put on my head since 2025. I will have all the details on this unit listed down below for you guys, because I'm not quite sure what length I got this in. So by the time this video goes up, all of that will be in the description box, so just check the description box for everything. Thank you guys so much for tuning back, and if you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. If you learned something new, leave me a heart in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.